Friends, hello, man, it's Tuesday. I'm making a video a little bit early right now. I gotta do some things later tonight, but I wanted to get on here and I wanted to chit chat and talk about First Republican Bank here, what is going on. So it's Tuesday and we're seeing a trend right now with this stock. So if you've been listening to me yap about this stock, I have been saying, listen, I think this is going to a $10 mark or maybe even more than under that. I think it's going to keep taking damage here. And the reason I think this is because we're seeing a lot of people in the financial sector, people that do this for a living, that have been doing it for the last 30 years, and they think there is a big situation coming up here with this banking system that, hey, it's not really fixed right now. It's been band-aid, like the wound has been covered up, but it's still kind of gushing blood and the band-aid's kind of falling off. And we're seeing that still with the banks. The banks have not really recovered. I mean, the Fed's like, hey, everything's fine. But then, like I said, there's this other side of the page here where there's people that are not really getting paid to say everything's fine. Somewhat the whistleblowers of the stock market slash, the banking sector. And that's why I keep saying, like, we're following the breadcrumbs of what's happening here with this stock in the financial sector, and that I really do think this is going to take more damage. So talking about that subject, we're seeing right now that this stock is closing each day lower. So let's go all the way back to Thursday. Thursday we closed out at 12.53. Friday we closed out at 12.36. Monday we closed out at 13.82. Now the market is still open for another 45 minutes as I'm making this video. It's around like 3:20 right now, but it is trying to hold a 313 bid price right now as much as it can, and it's fallen today to a 12.62. So a 12.55. So we're seeing it fall apart right now. Now there could be one or two different plays that are going to take place here tomorrow. What we have been noticing is that the stock is opening up pretty big, and the majority of what we're watching investors do right now that are still buying and selling this is that they're buying in the afternoon and they're selling in the morning. We're having a pretty nice spike up in the morning, and then towards the end of the day we're having a lot of sell-off, and slowly but surely we're losing more and more ground, it looks like here. Yesterday was an okay day. Today we're seeing mass sell-off. So tomorrow could be a day of a lot of buy-in, and it could have some nice volume tomorrow, possibly run up to a 15, 16 maybe. Or this could have an adverse effect right now, and we could see this take more and more damage, and tomorrow could be the day. Tomorrow could be the day where we finally see First Republic hit some low numbers that we have not seen in years. We could possibly see this $11 to $10 mark tomorrow if it keeps trailing down like this. The Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P, everyone's stock market across the world is down. Nothing's up right now. So bullet points of what I'm saying here, friends. I'm very bullish on what's going to happen with this stock. I do believe the bank is going to survive. In the long run, hey, yeah, we're good. But for people that are saying this is going to rebound and be okay and we're going to be back at $30 by Friday, I don't know that I would trust that play. Now, I do believe if we see this fall to a $10 mark tomorrow, we'll probably see a huge run on it because it's going to be a first time low to where it's going to attract a lot of people buying in a massive amount of shares and probably spike it up. But we're just in this hamster wheel right now of it's being day traded. It's being traded so heavy right now, which is good. We want it to have attention, but it's getting used and abused right now to where it just can't get on solid ground again. So if we can see the stock get to a $17 to a $19 price again, I think that's going to be a safe place. But right now, I still think we're in some dangerous ground where we're going to see it take a little more damage. But I am in here. I have a position. I'm taking it with you guys. I am in here for the long run. I'm trying not to trade this back and forth. I'm obviously seeing some easy plays here, but I'm trying to restrain myself I've bought and sold a few times, but I'm in so low right now even after today I don't want to get myself in a situation. Although, like I said, I believe the long future hold of this is where we're really going to see our money be made. But I do believe there's going to be a day here where it's going to come back. Just right now, I'm not trusting the overall market in the financial sector right now. There's a lot of shady stuff going on, and like I said, every financial person, stock person that has been doing this for a long time is very doom and gloom about what's coming here in the summer. So I'm really suspicious that bank stocks are going to be able to hold on much longer. So friends, with all that, I'm going to stop yapping. Do you think this is going to a $10 bid price? Do you think we're going under a $10 bid price? Maybe, hey, you think this is going back to $20 by Friday. I hope you're right. I hope I'm wrong. Listen, I'm in here with you. I want to see this thing flourish. I don't mind being wrong. But friends, I really do wish all of you the best of luck with this situation and what's going on, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.